there's GreenSwanica.PROetess again. I just had to take a video of this beautiful fiddlehead fern. There are a few of them, like 3 of them around here. Oh, they're just beautiful. I have a fiddlehead trellis, the design of it, for my morning glories. In the area of my garden, I just love fiddlehead ferns. Look how beautiful the designs are. And this is still on the Fern Trail, aptly named Fern Trail in Thomas Run State Park. Oh, so beautiful. I'm going to zoom in on this. Some are unfurling, some are not yet. We're going to zoom in on this one right here. And my companions are kindly accommodating my filming on a beautiful spring hike. So I'll see you soonish with more content. Until next time, I'm GreenSwanica, yours, because poetry blooms eternal.